Bacha buddy. How are you? Did you enjoy my previous story, My Brilliant Mother? Oh, you did? Thank you. Thank you so much. Today I'm going to tell you a story about some indoor games that you can play with your parents and with your siblings. As you all know that coronavirus is going on and we are unable to go outside, but there are many games that you can play indoors too. So let's start today's story. Today's story is called Nighttime Ninja. In this story, there's a boy whose name is George and he wants to play with his dad. But it's very late and it's night time. So let's see what his dad has to say. It's 7 o'clock, George. Call dad. Time for bed. Oh no. George wanted to play, but his dad is telling him that it's time for bed, George. It's too late. I'm not tired, said George. No bedtime for me. I'm the bedtime pirate today, he cried, running into the kitchen. And what did George do? George said, No, Dad, I'm not tired. See, I'm the nighttime ninja tonight and I want to play with you. Come on, I'm going inside the kitchen. I'm going to hide myself. Come find me. You'll never catch me, cried George, diving under the table. Dad came in and looked all around. Where are you, George? He asked. And what did George do? George ran inside the kitchen and hid himself under the table of the kitchen. And when Dad came inside the kitchen, he was looking all around for him. He was searching the cupboards. He was finding him behind the machine, behind the walls, but he could not find him because George was hiding under the table. And what did George do next? Dad didn't see George creep quietly out from under the table and into the living room. And while George's dad was finding him here, he quietly crept out of the table from under the table and he ran towards the living room. And in the living room, do you know where did he hide himself? Oh my God, look at this. Come on, George, said Dad patiently. Where are you? Just then, from behind the dusty curtains, there was a loud attention. Oh my God, where was George hiding? Can you see his feet? See, he's hiding behind the curtains and George's dad found him. And as soon as George's dad was going to put behind the curtain, he ran upstairs. He said, I'm not tired. I'm going inside my room. Dad, come catch me. There you go, cried Dad. Just as George rushed out of the room and dashed upstairs laughing. Not tired, Dad. See, he was so naughty. Oh my God. And when he went inside his room, he hid himself under the bed. Oh my God, naughty George. Upstairs, Dad heard a noise from George's bedroom. I'm in here, called George. Can you come find me? I know where you are, said Dad, pulling open the wardrobe door. And you know, George was so naughty. The same night suit that George was wearing, he made the teddy bear wear the same night suit inside the cupboard. And when George's dad opened the cupboard here, he saw that someone was sitting here. And he fooled his dad. Oh my God. When George's dad picked up the teddy bear, look what happened. Oh, look at his face. He was so angry. Got you, cried Dad, except it wasn't George at all, but his big old teddy dressed in a pair of his old pajamas. See, he was wearing the same night suit as George was wearing, and Dad got so confused. He thought it was George. And what did George do? George again ran out of the room. Nice try, Dad, said George, slipping out from under the bed and dashing out of the room. No one can catch the nighttime ninja. And he was so proud of himself. He fooled his dad. Oh my God, naughty ninja. He again ran outside of the room and he hid himself. But then George's dad was super tired. He thought that now it's my turn to fool him. It's time to put my secret plan into action, thought Dad. He went downstairs to the kitchen and rummaged in the fridge. And what did George's dad do? He went into the kitchen and he was searching for something inside the kitchen, inside the fridge. What was he doing? Let's see. Hearing the noise, George crept down to see what was going on but couldn't find Dad anywhere. Oh my God. When George heard that Dad was doing something inside the kitchen, he came inside the kitchen but he could not find his dad. Where was he? Now it was George's time to find his dad. Let's see what he did. Puzzled, George crept carefully up into his bedroom. There on the bedside table were some milk and cookies. Oh my god, look what his father did. He kept some cookies and a glass of milk here for George to have before sleeping. So cute. Every ninja, even the ninjas, need a snack, thought George as he climbed into bed. And as soon as he was going to climb on the bed and eat his cookies and the glass of milk, who came inside? Dad! And he said, suddenly Dad sprang out of the darkness. It's a trap! Oh my god, he laughed. You may be the nighttime ninja, but I am the pajama police. And what did Dad say? You might be the nighttime ninja, George, but I am the pajama police. I caught you! Caught at last, said George. I guess it really is time for bed after all. And George told his father that I know Papa I troubled you a lot today and I know that it's bedtime. So thank you for the fun and good night. And for all of you, good night to you too. Have a good night's sleep. See you.